and I've been working at Amplified Business Content. This apprenticeship has given me many opportunities, but one of them is within my job I get to travel around the UK a lot. So to Birmingham, Manchester, Edinburgh, Scotland, and well, we do hold events in Cardiff as well. So my job entails me to travel around across the UK and go to places I've never been before and meet a lot of interesting people. Sgil Cymru have also given me the platform to become an apprentice ambassador for the Welsh Government. So I have a campaign that is out currently encouraging people to look into apprenticeships, and I've also been on ITV News for A-level results day, and I'm also on a train. My communication skills have been enhanced. At the beginning of the apprenticeship, I was confident in speaking to people, but with my job now I have to speak to a lot of high-profile names such as Lord Sugar and James Caan, Tony Mascalo. So my job and the apprenticeship has given me the opportunity to expand on my already communication skills, but also my organisation skills as well. Only because I'm always busy and always juggling 100 different things, so those have been developed as well. At the beginning I was declined from university, so my confidence levels were quite low, but Sgil Cymru in this apprenticeship have given me the chance to boost my confidence, but also to continue to expand and develop new skills that I didn't know that I had. So my apprenticeship finishes soon and I've been offered a full-time contract with Amplified Business Content as events executive, working on the NatWest Great British Entrepreneur Awards.